Hi guys, this is a smart trader and your forex trainer and mentor. And so before siqale thanda ukuthi ngibonge kona wonke umuntu osubscribe ku channel yami. And so video engiyenzile last time I spoke about supply and demand, how to correctly draw your long-term supply and demand. So we had USD, Euro USD, and GBP, JPY. And so I think if video yami last time was a bit rushed. And so namhlanje ngifuna ukunithatha step by step ukuthi how you identify correctly the supply and demand levels. Okay, so nje singapholisi amaseko. So okunye ke guys ngicela ukuthi kumuntu enimaziyo ukuthi ufunda forex, please share i-channel yami. And so ngoba le channel le eyenu, Smart Trader SA is here for you. And so okay, let's continue. So phambi kwami la ngine GBP USD, and this is my monthly time frame. So GBP USD is also well known as the cable. So GBP USD ibuyibizwa nge-cable. Okay, so going forward, okay, so lena a monthly, and each candle and it creates every month. Okay, so into enginayo la is this. Ngicela ke ubukisise la. Okay, so la on my monthly, okay, monthly yami, okay, I see ukuthi my monthly is in a down trend. Okay, khohlwa ilokhu ufocus la. Okay, asifocus la ngoba phela i-monthly okusho ukuthi amakhandlela awu-12 it's a year, and amakhandlela awu-4 it's 4 months. So basically ngicela sifocus la. Okay, into engifuna uyibone la, okay, is la we have our, okay, this is my supply level. Okay, ngiyisusela la kulo. Okay, funa sihambe step by step. Lo, this is my supply level. Bear in mind ukuthi le supply level njoba sekune weekly was removed by this demand level. Okay, so le demand level le, okay, izibe i-demand level ingoba it's removed in monthly supply. This was my supply. So if le demand le removes this supply is ayisasebenzi. Okay, ayisasebenzi. And so okunye, okay, ngoba sabuke monthly asifocus la. Okay, and ibukeke nayo le demand le createekile. Le demand le createekile was broken. Okay, and the demand was broken by this supply. Okay, was broken by this supply. Okay, by this supply, and this supply was broken by this demand. Okay, so it was broken by this demand. Okay, so intercorner la, our demand is in control. Okay, our demand, this demand level is in control. Okay, is in control. So moving forward, okay, omunye ubengathi why ungenayo la i-supply. Okay, into eyenza ukuthi ngayidwebula i-supply ingoba ikhandlela esinalo alikho bofu, kodwa ke ikhona i-hidden supply. Hidden supply ila. Okay, hidden supply ila umudweba nje ku-week yakho. Okay, kodwa lokho I think sizokubona kwi-lower time frame, ake ngiyisuse okwamanje. So on my monthly, this demand, okay, iyona enamandla. Okay, this demand is in control. Okay, so monthly yami, this demand is in control. Okay, asiye kwi weekly time frame. Okay, so this demand is in control. Okay, masiya kulentuza kwi-weekly time frame, each candle li-create-eka once a week. Okay, njalo ngesonto ku-create-eka ikhandlela elilodwa. Okay, so if nikhumbula kahle, I spoke about ukuthi uma udweba i-trend line udweba on your last two values, so higher high, higher low, higher high. So i-trend line yami ngingayidweba kanje. Okay, so la ize la. So nakhumbula nginitshela ukuthi every time a trend line is broken, ku-create-eka ini i-supply. Not phela ukuthi ku-create i-supply njalo, kodwa ku-create-eka i-level of supply or i-level of demand depending on ukuthi ukuphi ne-chart yakho. So this is what we have. Okay, so this is my monthly. Okay, my monthly. So angenze kanje i-weekly, kwi-weekly ngizokwenza ukuthi kube mhlophe. Okay, and i-monthly kube yellow, khona sizobona ukuthi eyiphi i-level esidila nayo ngaleso sikhathi. So currently sinani, monthly is in control la kulo yellow, and so yeah, uma ubhekisisa nala as I was speaking about last two values. Okay, kodwa lokho I think is more visible mase siya ku-daily. Okay, so okwamanje njengoba ilentuza i-GBP USD ime kanje. Okay, ake siye ku-daily, so okunye la engicela ukuthi ukubuke, ngithi yabo la ukuthi sine drop base drop. Okay, so masibuka lo leli libovu. Okay, uyabona nje ngizama ukuyichaza. Okay, leli libovu kunento eyiremovile le supply level, and le supply level le was removed by this demand. Okay, was removed by this demand. Okay, so here is my demand. So yeah, so my weekly demand is in a monthly demand. Okay, ngoba indaba this monthly demand removed. Okay, this monthly demand removed this, no, pardon me, this weekly demand removed this weekly supply. So this is a strong level of supply, pardon me, of demand. Okay, asiye kwi-daily nizobona ukuthi ngiyaphi nalento le. Okay, siye kwi-daily. Okay, daily ngikhumbula I spoke about last two values, higher high, higher low. Okay, this wasn't a higher high, so ngoba ayizange okay, this can be a higher high ngoba it removed. Okay, bheka la lower low. Okay, sishaya nje lower high. Okay, khona uzobona nje ngichaza lower low. Okay, so mase sila higher high ngoba it removed this high, higher low. Okay, and higher high. Okay, so we have weekly trend line. Okay, weekly trend line. Okay, the video is gonna be a bit longer. So this weekly trend line was removed by this level of supply. So my level of supply. Okay, let's go for red. Also create a red. Also create a low. So this is my daily supply. Okay, moving forward, lower low, lower high, lower low. But there's too much trading in the zone, so le angiyithandi. Okay, asisuse lo. So looking at i-cable yethu currently, okay, i-cable yethu is in no man's land. Okay, no man's land. Okay, no man's land. So yeah, so currently mina kade ngingeke ngenze lutho up until ile ntuzo yami ifika la. Mayifika la, I'll be comfortably waiting for sell. Okay, mayifika la, I'll wait for buy. Kodwa ke enye into efana uyigade ngoba this demand is ila ku tip ye monthly demand, so kungenzeka ukuthi i-break. Okay, so wena into ongayenza is you can focus more on le. Okay, this is your demand. Okay, this is your demand. Okay, yeah, this is your demand. Pardon me, excuse me. Okay, njengoba ngihlezi ngisho guys, my videos are organic, nothing is pre-planned. So nala, yeah, this can be my demand. Okay, this can be my demand. So into nje wena as a trader oyenzayo is you wait. Is you wait. Ngoba kunye ngenzeka this can go down, okay, and drop to la or to la. Ngoba kuningi nje ongenzeka kuyi-market and then kubuye, yabo. So i-market akusiyo eyakini, i-market yenza njani, uyayilandela. Okay, yeah, so kodwa basically engikushoyo njengamanje indlela elula ukuthi ulinde. Okay, ulinde ngoba niyakhumbula nginitshela ngani nge-market structure. Market structure, i-market moves in threes. Okay, ngiyakhumbula. Okay, uthi ngibuyele ebhodini ngithi kuyichaza i-market ukuthi why ngithi i-market moves in threes. Okay, ake sisuse lokho okudala lokade sikwenza on the previous lesson. So yeah, okay, yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyayiphinda lento le ye-market structure. Okay, ukuthi i-market moves in threes. So i-market basically yenza ama-moves kanje. So if it's a 1, izofika ithi 1 2 3 correction bese, yabo, and futhi uyabona ukuthi lento le isayi-move ewu-1 2 3, and uphinde futhi kuwona la ube no 1 2 3. Okay, nakhona la ube no 1 2 3. Market structure yakho imove kanje, and so ingaphinde futhi. Okay, i-market structure ithi 1 2 3, yenzeni i-bigger correction to this one bese iyaphinda futhi. Okay, ithi 1 2 3. So phinde uyibone lento le isayenye move 1 2 3 1 2 3. So usuyaphinda la, ungaba no 1 2 3. Pardon me, phinde la ungaba no 1 2 3, ube no 1. Okay, ube no 1 2 3, kanjalo 1 2. Okay, 2 3, 1 2 3, kanjalo. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 okay 1 2 3 kanjalo okay. Uyabona futhi ukuthi we have a bigger 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this is a market structure. Okay ake ngibuyele kuyona chart. Okay, angeke ize ifane ncamashi, yabo, angeke izifane ncamashi nale kade ngikutshengisa yona ekuqaleni. Okay, angeke izibe ncamashi. Okay, so la if ungayibuka nje ngelinye isho ungawubona ukuthi u1, okay 2, okay, and then izoshaya u3, okay, a longer 3. Okay, ezinye zeindlela imarket engamuva ngayo ngawushaya u1 2 3 okanje before ibuye, okay, mhlambe ngomunye u1 2 3. I-anatomy ke yemarket le, okay, imarket imuva in threes, mhlambe ngaba u1 2, kodwa into engizongichazela yona ngelinye ilanga le, okay, chazela yona ngelinye ilanga. So i-anatomy yemarket le, okay, and futhi ingaba a bit higher. Okay, i-create ini i-running flat. Okay, lokho sikubiza ngani nge-running flat, kodwa as si progressa ne-channel nizoyibona lento engizama ukuyichaza. So imarket ingenza kanje, okay, kodwa ke imarket akusiyo eyakini, imarket asicontrol, siyayilandela. Okay, imarket asicontrol, siyayilandela. So ungawubuka nje umunye 1 2 3 omnandi la, this was my 1, okay, my 2, my 3. Okay, yabo, so mekanje engathi 1 2 3. Okay, kodwa ke imarket njengoba ngisaphinde ngiyasho siyayilandela, asiyicontrol. So in this case, yeah, into yethu nje imnandi. So yeah, this was my cable. So indlela ongayenza la is you wait. Asibheke ku 4 hours usikwenzakalani. 4 hours. Angithi uyayibona nje nalento ukuthi njengoba imuva la, imuva in a correction manner. Okay, this is a correctional manner to the upside. Nakhumbula senza, pardon me, ama rally based drop. So yeah, lana bungalinda ngobani usell, and usell wakho wenze abamnandi, and lento le isimove. Where's my thingy? Okay, isimove about 132 pips. Okay, which is, yeah, imali right. Okay, kodwa ke for a long term analysis is you wait. So long term analysis is you wait. So okay, sengispende isikhathi esiningi kwi-GBP USD. So let me ngiqhubeke. Okay, ngicela ukwenza into engenayo ke i-GBP or USD this time. Ngicela ukuthi ngenze i-AUD NZD. Okay, ngoba manje phela angifuni sisticke ku direction eyodwa. Okay, so nje uyibona ke i-AUD. Okay, so yenza nje step by step, focus la. Okay, we will focus la. So number 1, correction lento le. Okay, correction. So number 1, ubuka la khona i-current price and left, and ubuke la khona i-current price down left. Okay, so okwamanje this is my supply. Niyayibona futhi ukuthi okay, asisuke la singabi rushed. Okay, ngamanye ngiqiniseke ukuthi kakhulu. Okay, this is my supply. Okay, siyayibona sonke i-supply level. Okay, this is my supply. It's a supply because it removed this demand. Okay, and this supply was removed by this demand. Okay, this is your demand. Okay, ngicela ukuyishintsha ibe yellow indlela yathi sivumelene ngayo. Okay, lona angasekho valid. Okay, njengoba ngisho where current price uthi kuphi and left. Okay, so this is my demand in control. Okay, say we weekly time frame. So this is a demand A in control. So every time a demand is in control, never go against any higher time frame level. So ngoba this is my highest point, this qualifies as my supply. Ngoba niyakhumbula 1 2 3, so previous two values, pardon me. Okay, 1. Okay, so la nazo what singasho ukuthi okay 1 2. Okay, never mind. So la this qualifies as my supply. Ngoba kade niyakhumbula ngintshela ngestructure ukuthi structure is in 3s, 1 2 3. So this also qualifies as in qualify ukuthi ngadweba a trend line, and this also qualifies as a supply level. Okay, so trend line was broken. So okay, enye into moyibheke iphukile wona, kodwa bear in mind ukuthi i-monthly demand is in control. Your monthly demand is in control. So shintshe lo abe white ngoba weekly. So yeah, monthly demand is in control. So yeah, let's go to a daily. Enye into ke ufanele uyibuke, okay, drop is drop. Okay, never mind, kodwa le drop esebenzile. Okay, let's go to our daily, mhlawumbe izobonakala kahle. Okay, our daily, this is our daily time frame. I hope guys niyayibona ngaso sonke lesikhathi, niyayibona lento engizama ukunifundisa yona. Okay, okunye this okay was broken. Okay, this was your demand. Your demand was broken by this supply, and this is your supply. So in market maybe you can prepare to sell. Okay, you can prepare to sell. So sell ngoba akasekho valid. Okay, okunye la we have our trend line. Bam, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so this is your demand, which is a demand egui monthly time frame. Okay, let's go for, I think green uzomenza abele imali esimfunayo. Uzomenza imali esimfunayo is blue. Blue wenza kube mhlophe. So okay, let's go for any color. ngoba sengisangana sengifaka black. Okay, azinda ngizofaka wona lo uthi ushintshe ubumpumala, it's fine. Okay, as long as ngazi ukuthi this is a level. So currently do nothing. Okay, currently do nothing ngoba phela akusho ukuthi njengoba lo omkhulu eyi monthly demand wena ungavela uthatha ubhayela ngoba imakethe izokwenzakalisa ngoba bear in mind ukuthi usembreakile lo. Okay, which is use lower low. So lento le ingenza kanje, mhlawumbe create elilodwa el green, then ishone phansi and then inyuke. Okay, so currently do nothing. Currently bengeke ngenze lutho mina la, kodwa ke into efanele siyazi. Okay, ngibuye kanje, monthly is consolidation. Okay, ikwi consolidation moyibuka as a whole, kodwa uma uyibuka uyisusa la, our monthly, okay, ikwi downtrend kodwa is preparing for uptrend ngoba makhandlela amaningi la are green. So weekly is in an uptrend, high, high, low, high. So this can be level yethu engasebenza and our daily. So guys, naye ke into engicela ukunichazela yona ebalekile. Okay, uma utrader ngicela ubheke ipair etrendayo. Okay, ubheke ipair etrendayo. Okay, ngoba njengamanje le uma uyibuka, uma uyibuka weekly, this can be our bigger move. Okay, and then it corrects kanje ifike la and then it drops. Okay, so lena ke sekuyi long term analysis. Okay, long term analysis. Okay, this is your long term analysis. So okay, kodwa ke okwamanje asikho la. So ave kubalekile ukuthi ufocus yabo, siloke siyenza lento le step by step. Okay, ungagcumeli amagwava akuhlaza. Okay, uthi ngoba phela smart trader sithe nawe usuzokwenza yabo ngendlela ongeke usayisebenzisa ngayo ingqondo. Okay, ngoba phela okunye ekumele ubuke la noma ngazange ngigxile kona kakhulu ukuthi lana sinani, sine level of, okay, level of supply. So kuba wena yabo nje awusmart uzothatha nje usell nje la ube comfortable. So ngoba uyabona la ifikile, sell and uyiyeke i-drop. Okay, so okwamanje inganyuka ithi okwamanje nganyuka ithi bafowethu ngicela ngixolele kunomuntu ongihluphayo la. Okay, so okwamanje okwamanje inganyuka kanje nami indlela nje esengicabangisa ngayo and then drops futhi. Okay, so into ekumele uyenze is wait. Okay, ngoba nala this okunye futhi lokho ngaba i-level of supply. Okay, so imakethe isiyayilandela and uma uyithatha ukuyibhekisisa kahle la, the level of supply isebenze kamnandi kanjani. Okay, njoba ngisho imakethe asiyicontrol, senza njani, siyayilandela. Okay, so yeah, ngixolele guys nomuntu osevele ohlupha la endlini manje ngibusy mina ngiyarecorda la yabo, so ngenza nje into ebaluleke kabi. So guys, ngixolele for lo msindo enozwile. Okay, so yeah, currently okwamanje, okay, yeah, angibona ukuthi yeah, this can drop or and futhi lento le ingamove nje kanje. Okay, or ingafika ize la inyuke. Okay, and then drops. Okay, ngoba izobe isishaya le movement ekade ngichazela ngayo 1 2 and 3 and then bese iya drop. Okay, 1 2 okay, yeah, 1 2 3. So yeah, so guys, I hope I understand the material. Okay, comment section ikhona ukuthi khona ungaka-understand, ukhululeke comment section ungabhala ukuthi uyi-understandanga into ethile ngiqale phansi. Okay, so khona i-video yami ingeke ibe long kakhulu, ngicela ukuthi yeah ngenze 2 more kodwa la wesibili ngizowenza a bit quicker. Okay, so asiye kwi-Euro CHF. Yabo nje ngikwenza like random manje. Okay, ngikwenza like randomly, so ngicela ubukisiseke manje. Okay, this was my demand. Okay, and this demand was removed by this supply. Multi-time frame yami le. Okay, ngithi ngithe izoba yellow, so yeah ngikwenza like random manje. Okay, so yeah, this is my supply ngoba it removed this demand. Okay, mase removiwe ke demand ayisasebenzi. Okay, ayikho enye engiyibonayo. Okay, my weekly yami uyayibona nje ukuthi yabo nje la kuba nje waiting for usell wakho ngabe umnandi nje manje. Okay, so la last 2 values, okay, was broken, phulwa yini this supply. So iwona ama level la awu2 or now, so ngoba i-weekly le senze bemhlophe. Okay, siphume la, so unama demand supply demand. Okay, and nala this is a fresh level. Okay, pardon me, this yeah it's my fresh level of supply. Kodwa manje our monthly supply is in control. Okay, so lana this was my demand, no pardon me, this was my supply, and this supply was removed by this demand. Okay, this is my demand level. Okay, this is my demand level. Okay, so it's a bit faster ngoba ngifuni ibe long i-tutorial yami. So as in my mentorship. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have. And ke enye into engifuna uyibona la, uyabona lento lokuthi this has been moving in a box. Okay, lento le isa move in a box. Yeah, ngathi ngizima ukuyi-trader le recently ngoba it's been moving in a box. Angisawutholi ke, sengididwa imbala ke manje. Okay, senze be blue. Okay, yeah, sihluleke. So lento le has been ranging since since 2020, since July 2020 to March to August 2020. So yeah, this is a good level to be preparing for buy. Okay, kodwa ke ngoba we have a weekly demand la ezansi in control and it's a fresh level, so ilento ethi ngamove izifike la, and then so ngaqala uprepare for buy. Okay, this is my euro CHF, euro Swiss franc. Okay, so yeah, basically yona analysis leyani ye euro CHF. Let's go to my 4 hours. Okay, yeah, the video is gonna be a bit longer. Okay, so 4 hours, yeah, lento le looks like a drop nje mnandi. So kodwa ke angeke ngi-encourage ukuthi phela nisele manje ngoba this is a bad area to sell. Manje banibona nje ukuthi kade lokhu i-ranger, so ingaphinde ibuyele futhi la, yabo nje iloko eyehla kanje. Okay, so this ayona indawo right ukuthi ungathatha u-action, so you wait. Ave kubalekile ukulinda kwemarket. Okay, ngoba imarket akusiyo eyakini. Okay, asenze ipay yokugcina. Let's go to my USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD uzoyenza fast. Okay, ngoba niyabona ukuthi isikhathi sesihliwe inja. So la, this is my supply. Bheke mawudweba i-supply ngoba uyayibona ukuthi i-remove lo. Mawudweba i-supply, bheke ukuthi le supply le i-remove yini. So this supply was removed by this demand. Okay, supply removed by demand. Njengoba le nto ngenza isikhathi eside ngenzela guys ukuthi niyibambe kulaba abayimisele. Okay, forex ifuna umuntu oyimisele, not umuntu onesikhathi sokudlala. Okay, so yeah, this is the demand level in control. Okay, siqhubeke. Ungayidwebi into ongayiboni. Okay, so in terms of EUSD CAD, selling is not an option. Okay, ungalinge uthi ufuna ukudayisa ngoba uzoyisola. Okay, nako okunye besinakho la. Okay, ngifuna ubukisisa kahle la. We had a supply, and this supply was removed. Okay, le akuyona kahle kahle na i-supply yami la, and this supply, okay, yona nto nje oyibhekayo, and this supply was removed by this pardon me, lena i-supply was removed by this. No, we start step by step lento manje. Was removed by this. Okay, senze bemhlophe khona uzobona kahle. Okay, yeah, ivideo yami sengizoyiqeda manje. This is the last pair. Okay, yeah, this was the demand level njengoba uyibona ukuthi removed konke lokhu, and so this demand was removed by this supply. So yeah, was removed by this supply. Ngithi uyabona le nto ukuthi moyenza step by step, yabo kuyayibonakalela nje konke. Okay, so lona is rendered useless. Okay, so nalo, okay, sikiyeke lapha, ngifuni ukuchaza into eyiningi. Okay, sesibola. And the origin yale supply is wala. So zime kanje. So lana never sell. Tongayilinda is your buy. Mefika la usungalinda ukuthi isele. May break la izobe si create a new level of supply. Kodwa ke okwamanje is your buy. Let's go to my daily. Okay, so lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is my trend line. My trend line was broken. So my break here was broken by this demand. So include wonke nalokhu ngothanda. Okay, include wonke lokhu ngothanda. And so yeah, this is the level of demand in control. So for me, yeah, it's a good level. It's a good time to buy. Okay, so yeah, mina I was gonna take the buy. Kodwa ke ungaveleke uthathe nge-market execution. Okay, ungawuthathi nge-market execution. So into ongayenza ungabeka i-level of, ungabeka ini buy stop la. Yeah, or ubeke sell limits, buy limits la, and stop loss behind. Okay, so yeah, mina ubeka buy stop. Okay, ukuthi mayifika la ingitriggerish. Okay, kodwa ke mase ngibuka kahle ku 4 hours buy stop angikho comfortable ngayo ngoba this is high up. So yeah, I could wait. Bengizobeka la. Okay, bengizobeka ini buy limits la. Yeah, buy limits la. Bengizoyilinda ibuye ize la. Okay, engayibuyanga it's fine. Okay, ngizoyilinda ukuthi yabo njengamanje menyuka la mhlawumbe may break lo. Okay, yangithi izobe secreate i-high. So wena usungalinda ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi izobe kushiyelile la ama demand levels, usungalinda ukuthi ibuye kanje and take the continuation. Okay, ngoba njengoba lento le ikwi major level of demand and our monthly demand is in control. So yeah, ukudayisa is not an option. Ngoba buka la trend line was broken. Okay, trend line was broken. So yeah, this level of demand very strong. So yeah, I would go for buy. So I hope ama-pairs lawa ekade ngiwacover no-understandile. Ngixolele ngevideo yami ethe ukuba a bit longer ukuthi nje ngifuna ni-understand lento le njoba nazi nani ukuthi this yabo lama videos engwenzayo awe mentorship. So akufunakala ukuthi izinto ngiyijahe. So phinde guys ngibonge ngibona bonke abantu abasubscribeile kwi-channel yami, and njengoba ngihlezi ngisho my videos are organic, nothing is pre-planned. And so yeah, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share and comment and like. Yeah, mkhona umuntu omaziyo ufuna ufunda uforex umtshela ukuthi there's a smart trader. So yeah, ngiyabonga guys, smart trader SA signing out.